No way.
How do you get out of here?
Oh, you're on the right track. Come on, follow me.
Let's go have some fun with our triple vectors.
Maybe they killed Torch. Maybe they got a fucking high end out of it. Gotta see, gotta know, dude.
Gotta see, gotta know. It's a video game. And it's blurry. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, support station? Campers? Flank? I just ran by bots. Where are you?
Oh, they're all right in the middle, dude.
Of course.
Who gives, dude? 4? You think that's honestly a problem?
Oh. Do you have your super?
Yeah, I have the, yeah.
Oh no, Bacon's ready. Do you want to do it?
Fuck yeah, I want to do it. Are you kidding me? We're gonna hit them right as soon as they extract.
But we don't want them to get their stuff, you know?
Yeah, I know. That's why we're gonna kill them before they
I'm
extract.
switching to a shock grenade.
Yes, that's fucking good.
He lived. Steal stuff. Anything?
I have a
I
bunch
got
of
an
purples.
AG. Alright, where are we
Really?
going?
I don't fucking know, bro.
Go north, go north. Follow me.
Yeah, there's a safe house. There's a safe house, like,
You wanna go low or nothing's down there?
and hide? They're gonna come for us, bro. We're bad.
I mean, this is a level if we die, so good luck, right?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay, it's blurry, we're good.
I think I just got shot in the back. I'm getting shot in the back.
That's them. Ah, fuck. Come on, bots, do your thing.
Bacon, take the hits.
I want to drag them to that flamethrower area, you know? Have them fight. Those 32s.
Yeah, but how are we not just gonna get sandwiched in the middle?
It's a good question.
I could pop my super, we could run right by.
Exactly. Oh, shit, I fucked up. I'm sorry. They're not hitting us anymore. Ah, I got hit. Shouldn't have said anything.
Take a left. No, we can.
Right? I don't think we can.
Well, as soon as we can, we will. Oh, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here.
I don't want to get hit before I turn
There's
the corner.
dudes, there's
Alright,
dudes.
good. I want to see what Bacon's time is. Right or left? Left.
Left. Oh, God.
We're
Alright,
doing
there's a
fine.
contamination.
If you see fire come, do super, right? Because we don't want to get burnt.
Can we go through here?
Ah, Jesus.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're good, we're good,
We're
we're
gonna
good.
wrap right.
We're gonna hit up, take a right. Oh,
Left,
here's the
left.
tunnel, dude.
Alright, baby. Come on. We got this.
How do I get in?
Wait, what? What?
Yeah. You're good. I ran right by it.
Left? Did you get hit?
No.
Oh, we're running right into this boss. Oh, I don't know if this is dead end. I can't see shit.
This is godlike.
Right. That's probably a dead end one, right?
Probably, dude.
Oh, no.
There's another
Down low,
quarantine.
down low, down low. Down low, right? Yeah.
Dude, they're not even following us, bro.
Okay, let's keep going.
Wait, let's wait right here. Depending on... Oh, here they come. They're coming. They're
Let's keep
coming.
going, let's keep going. The moment I'm not rogue anymore, I'll protect you all. Assuming I'm gonna make it. Oh, fuck. 32s. This looks like a dead end. Oh.
Oh, it's a dead end, baby.
No! God damn it. You still with me?
Yep. Go wide right.
Can we keep going right? Yeah, we can. Bacon! Left? Midtown music?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, baby. I made it. Hide right there. Just stay down.
Oh my god. Alright, push this. Yeah. I'm good. Get him to go. Yeah. Come on, shoot me, shoot me, shoot me. Oh, he didn't hit me. Bacon's down? No!
What the fuck, Bacon?
Why didn't Bacon keep running? You would kill him again? Nah, it's all 4 of them. God, I thought Bacon kept going. Didn't you?
Yeah, I thought he did. He should have kept going.
I didn't know he was right next to us.
You gotta send him a message of the strat, bro.
Die. Come on, 32. Kill him. Come on, 32. Get in there, shotgun boy. Come on, get him.
Oh, shit.
Oh, he's good to us. Activate. You want to just get out of here and activate? Oh, I don't want to die to this idiot.
I activated because I didn't want to get fucked.
Dude, no, it's fine. If you see yellow shotgun and LMF, that's very easy to do. Very easy activation.